Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is Bank Teller Immediately Knows She's Lying.
Do her a solid, like, man, the police on their way. And she's like, I'll wait. I'm like, damn.
That's just what's weird, yeah.
On November 11th, 2024, officers were called after a woman walked into a credit union attempting to cash a check that had already been cashed by the real account holder.
All right, so what's going on?
So she came in. First of all, when she came in, she walked up to the front counter. She had a mask on. I said, you gotta take the mask off. So she took the mask off. She handed me this check. The check looked like, I mean, I can't judge. I mean, people put them in their pocket and open up checks all the time. But she handed me this check. I said, what you want me to do with that? She was like, cash it. I said, all right, give me your driver's license. All right? She said, well, I ain't got one. I said, well, you got an account with her? She was like, no. I said, then how am I supposed to cash this check? She's like, well, maybe I used to have an account. I was like, okay. So I'm looking at the name on the check and it says Sean something. I can't make out what the last name is. So I said, okay, well, if you used to have an account, okay. I said, I'll look it up for you. I said, what's your social security number? She's like, oh, I forgot the card at home. I said, you don't know your social security number? She's like, no, not by heart. I said, okay. So now you're trying to deflect me because you don't want me to know exactly who you is. I said, okay. I said, yeah, ain't no way I can cash this check. I said, you know what? Let me call the customers and verify it for you. You want me to call the customers? Which is funny, because she was like, yeah, go ahead, call them and verify it. So I'm like, okay, damn. So I called the customer. First I called the wife because it said Teresa on there, right?
On the check?
On the check. So she the one that normally endorses the check. So I called her. She didn't answer the phone. So I'm like, fuck. So I called the husband. He answered the phone. I said, hey, introduce myself. Said, I want to verify a check. He's like, okay, yeah. I said, it's a check for Sean. He's like, oh, Sean, 10 penny or something. I said, yeah. But I couldn't make out what the last name was. He said, for 1400. I said, yeah. He said, oh, yeah, we wrote that check. I said, okay. So I hung up the phone. I called right back and said, hey, can you describe what the person looks like? He was like, well, I can't, but maybe my wife can. So he gives her the phone. She says, well, I said, oh, well, that's out the gate, but this is bogus because this is she. You know, I said, I'm just trying to verify. She said, well, that check already cashed. I said, what you mean? So I looked through the transaction history. The check had already been negotiated like last week, like a week ago. So I think he took a picture of the check and deposited it into his bank account. Some way he did it electronically. I don't know how she got a hold of the check, but she in the bank trying to cash the same check. So the customer like, yeah, now that check already been negotiated. We need to confiscate the check. So what I did, I tried to do her solid, to be honest. I went up and said, hey, this check already been cashed. The customer told me to confiscate the check, and they called the police. That's what I told her, thinking she was like, oh shit, they'll walk about the bank. So I'll wait on her. I said, oh, okay, so now you're gonna play with me in my face.
So what's going on with this check again?
That's a solid, I'm not gonna lie. That's a solid bank teller. Like, I don't know if he manager or something or whatever, but he's solid. He's solid, you know. You could look, tell, you know, he not trying to really get nobody in trouble. He just want them to leave, you know. But you playing, like he said, you gonna play in my face, you know. Now you disrespecting me, you know, because it's like you gonna sit there and wait for the cops and all that. You disrespecting me now. It's like, oh, you think it's a game, you know. But he tried to give her a way out, you know, just, you know, go on, you know, that's it. But you want to play games? Okay. What they say? Play stupid games, you win stupid prizes? No. Okay. About to find out.
So basically, Canada.gov wrote it out to me. The check was over 40 years, over like what, 30 years of payment, 30 years of what they were trying to reach me at. The website, when they found me on the website, I could only get the document. Then the documents in my house got broken into. I came to the same spot they told me I could pick up them, make sure that no matter what, where I was, that they'll get the check to me. They got the check right back to me.
Why would Canada.gov be sending you a check?
Because of who I am.
Who are you?
They were looking for me. You just wrote it down.
Okay, why are they looking for you?
Because they wanted to know who everything belonged to and what belonged to who and who belonged to what.
Why would Canada be doing that?
Plenty of reasons.
Like?
Health insurance, the value of life, natural sustainable living, healthier choice, recognition, respect, understanding, compassion.
Do you have anything with your name on it?
Nope.
No? Okay.
No.
Of course you don't.
The other thing is I knew I couldn't make out what the last name was.
It was what, 10 penny you said, right?
Yeah, but when I couldn't make it out. I mean, I knew it because that's what they told me on the phone. But when I asked her to spell the last name for me, she spelled something that it wasn't no damn 10 penny. So she couldn't tell what the last name was either. So I don't know if she bought this check or she stole it or whatever she did. But this ain't her check.
Okay.
So
You on charges pressed against her? She didn't get any money, correct?
no, she didn't. No, I don't give her that. Okay. Nah, she gotta wake up early in the morning to fool me with that one. Man, I worked at U.S. Bank for 20 years. I've been down at 26 in Wisconsin, Midtown. I've been all over the place.
Can I see that check in?
Yeah, like that shit, like that one won't go fly right there. You gotta have a little bit more game
Yeah.
for that one.
Could you stand up and face away from me? You're gonna be
I like that
arrested.
guy.
Just obstruct, okay?
Resisting restraint.
Yeah, it's obstructing investigation. Since you have different names, we got to figure out who you are. If we can figure out who you are, then we can kick you up out of here and you'll be on your way. Okay.
Yeah, grab my check.
Okay. We will. I'll have my partner grab it. But for right now, you just comply and stand up for me and face away from me, okay?
Okay, no problem.
I appreciate it.
You said it's for sure digitally cashed?
Yeah, that check was cashed on the 19th. Though.
Okay, obviously it's digital because they still held on to the check.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to press charges against her?
Do I want to press charges?
Yeah, I mean, the bank or the supervisors kind of makes that call, like if you want her arrested and charged with like, this one's kind of hard because it's like, does she appear, MO, like mentally something going on?
I think something wrong with her. I mean, if it's me.
So those are like the two ways, like is something wrong with her, which like you said, there might be, or does she intentionally know that this is a bogus check? Those are kind of the two things. I feel like if you intentionally know, you probably wouldn't wait for me, but I don't know.
I think it's a little bit of both.
I think a little bit of both. Okay.
I mean, it's just in my opinion. It's just like it's
She knows it's a bogus check. I mean, that's obvious. She knows it's a bogus check. You know why? Because she came in there with a mask on. This ain't COVID. Okay, we about 4 or 5 years removed from that now. This is what, 2025. When at the time of this, yeah, we about at least 3. That was COVID was 2020, 2021. And even if you want to count a little bit of 2022, whatever, we was probably coming up out of it. But yeah, we 3 years removed. Why is he walking around with that's just a red flag now. Now it's a red flag. Just like you see guys in the hood and everything, or you wearing the shiesty mask, the mask and all of that stuff. It's a red flag, man. It's not cool. It's not, before COVID, you had an excuse. Oh, you can hide your identity a little bit, but now, nah, that's not gonna fly. People are gonna look at you weird, and yeah, no.
Say it, man.
And that you up to no good.
Man, I tried to do her a solid, like, man, the police on their way. And she's like, I'll wait. I'm like, damn.
That's just weird, yeah.
And the other thing about it, they said, well, Sean, if he had came in the bank, I'm pretty sure he would have had a driver's license or ID, but that check has already been cashed. I'm like, okay, so
Yeah.
So it was clear to me that it was an imposter. I don't know where that was.
And since you're confiscating the check, you're...
Yeah, I don't know where at all. I don't know, So as long as she out of here, it's fine.
Okay. All right.
If the bank doesn't want anything done, then there's no point of us putting all the work in to try to prove.
What?
There's no point of us trying to put all this work in to try to prove.
Yeah.
So we won't do the fraud, but I think we do the resistance obstructive, we get her on file.
Yeah.
I'm not able to get her actually back. I'll do a TLXO on the way. I'm gonna take this right now, but I'll give it back to you at the station.
Yeah, I'll meet you back there. She said that's her credit card, right?
Yeah, she said it's somebody that she stole from or whatever. So one, it could be that she stole from, or two, it's her name and it's just multiple personality type deal.
Yeah.
So
We'll just take everything that isn't her name.
Yeah.
Was she really confused or a failed scam? Drop your opinion below and don't forget to...
Failed scam. This is easy, but you know, the manager or whatever, this guy, you know, he cut her a break. He don't really want to see her locked up and stuff like that. So obviously the officers ain't gonna, they're not gonna do much, you know. Probably just give a trespass or something, you know, some BS. When in reality, she should go down for some sort of fraud because she knows that check ain't hers. And the reason why, you coming in there with a mask on. That gives it away right there, man. Gives it away. But she also is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, and that's a fact. I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. If you want to support the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hype the video. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can send a super thanks, a super sticker, or look in the description section where you will see links to our memberships, YouTube membership, and our Patreon. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Thanks for your support.